At first, take the breadboard, then take the LCD, connect it on the breadboard. You can see the pin numbers. I will describe it during the video. Then take the Arduino and connect the ground pin and the 5-volt pin. Is ground pin and the 5-volt pin with the power rails of breadboard. If you don't know anything about breadboard, you can click on the I button on the upper left or right, upper left, and click on the first video that I have described here. Now let's go to the connection of LCD. Take a jumper wire and connect the first pin, the VDD pin, with the ground pin of Arduino. Then connect the second pin or the PSS pin with the 5-volt of Arduino. Then take a potentiometer, it's the potentiometer, connect it on the breadboard. Then connect the signal pin or the middle pin of potentiometer, middle pin of potentiometer with the third pin or the RO pin with the of the LCD. Then connect the fourth pin of Arduino, fourth pin of LCD with the digital pin 12, is the RS pin. Then take a jumper and connect the fifth pin of the RW pin with the ground pin of Arduino, and take the 11th pin or the sixth pin of LCD with the 11 number pin of Arduino. Here there is no connection of D0, D1, D2, D3. We don't need this. And then connect the D4 pin with the D5 pin of Arduino. Then D5 with the D4. D6 with the digital pin 3. This and the D7 with the digital pin 2. Now take a 220 ohms resistor and connect the anode pin of LCD. This is the backlight pin, and connect it on the 5-volt, and take the last and connect the cathode pin with the ground. Our circuit is complete. Let's go to the Arduino IDE to upload the code. The code and the schematic is the link in description. You can download it from there. So let's go. So we have come to our Arduino IDE. Here at first you have to go to the files, then go to the examples, then you can see here liquid crystal. This is the liquid crystal. Then here will you see hello world. Yes, there is the hello world. Hello world. Click here and a new file will open, and here is the go to print hello world to our Arduino Uno, to our LCD display. You can see that here is written liquid crystal LCD RS EN D4 D5 D6. Here we have to write the pins that we have used in our Arduino. Here we have used the pin number 2, 3, 4, 5, 11 and 12. So we have to write them. 2, 3, 4, 5, 11, 12. Now then here is our text. I am changing it to only hello world. Then here you can see that the LCD set cursor. It is the thing where I want to print my text in the LCD. By this 0 and 1 you can choose that. Okay, let's see our board. Yes, our board is correct. Let's see my port. My port is I think CM6. Let's see that. Sorry, CM5. My CM5, I don't know what is yours. Then just compile it. When your compiling is done, just upload it. You can see that our code is uploaded. Let's go to our results.